Gyda everyone, I hope you are all well. This week is our final rubbish craft and I thought we could dedicate it to our wonderful NHS. We are making a customisable, wall hanging, dangly, mobile thing. I don't know what they're called. I thought of it last night and I thought, I'm going to do that tomorrow. So, here we go. Woo, 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 woo.
You will need a piece of card, string, a stick, scissors, paint brushes, glue, and I forgot a pencil. I always forget something, sorry. Step 1. Draw and cut out your decorations. We can make our wall hanging customisable by decorating it with any kind of pictures that we want. I'm adding a flower, I'm adding a heart, a star, and obviously a rainbow for our NHS. Step 2. Decorate your decorations. I use this as another great opportunity to incorporate Guyon into my craft. Shout out to Guyon. Step 3. The next thing we need to do is we need to make a hole in our decorations so we can thread the string and hang them up. I thought I was a genius by using a hole punch. Turns out they and I don't get on very well. I'm not an idiot, I just can't use a hole punch. Step 4. So fold your piece of string in half, make sure the ends are even, and then wrap this around your stick and poke the thread back through the loop and pull it nice and secure. Step 5. Poke the string through the hole in your decoration, then tie a couple of knots. Repeat this for every decoration that you have. And then you are done, my friends!
Well done everybody, I'm sure they look amazing. I'm really pleased with mine despite my little hole punch mishaps, but I still want to let our NHS know how grateful I am for its service and how wonderful the job it's doing of taking care of all of us. Okay, take care everybody, hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye!